Okay, we're going to do a little video of the little puppies. There's a little liver girl. Hey, baby girl. Hi. Oh, you got a sneeze? Do ya? You're learning to walk? And then here's Chloe, and she's nursing all the other ones. Hey, girl. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi, I'm the liver girl. Oh, big yawn. Not very comfortable, huh? Bella. Okay, I'm gonna have to get Mama up so that you guys walk, so we can see you, okay? Come on, Chloe. Let's make them walk, okay? Come on, guys. I want to show how you can walk. Oh, scrambling. Where'd the mama go? Where'd the mama go? There's a little chocolate girl, yeah. Here, let's see your face. There you are. Oh, look at you. You're like, where's my mama? You're so cute. Hey, you guys. Here's a little black and white girl. Her name is Lily. Yeah. And here's a brindle boy. All ready to eat. Okay, well. I think I'm going to have to pick you up again, Chloe, so we can watch them walk. Come on. Here. Then they can walk to you. Hey guys. Trying to find Mama. There's a little liver girl again. There we go. Oh, she's so cute. There we go. There we all found Mama again. Okay, we'll do a short video to see what they look like at 3.5 weeks. Until later.